guys, and welcome back to this motivational Monday clean with me to get your week started off right. First of all, I'm deep cleaning the plug holes with some soda crystals and white vinegar, and then I'm just hoovering out our bath because somehow Sully's hairs tend to get in the bath as well. So I'm just doing this before I give it a quick clean over. So while the plug holes were soaking for a minute, I decided to give our kitchen sink a deep clean as well, using some bicarb and white vinegar again. And while this was soaking, I went back to the plug holes and popped some hot water down each of the ones in the downstairs bathroom. For the sink, I use a bit of the Method multi-surface spray and let that soak in while I just clean the mirror with some white vinegar and a yellow microfiber Spontex cloth, which is in the kitchen kit that I've spoken about before. Everything I do use will be linked down in my Amazon shop, so don't forget to check the description bar. For the sink, I've been really enjoying using the Dishmatic sponge and the purple marigold cloth to wipe everything down afterwards. And then to finish and give everything a real good sparkle and shine, I love the Minky M cloth. This is a glass cleaning cloth, but it's so great because it doesn't pick up any lint or anything. So I hope you guys are all well. If you are new here, hello and welcome, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also press that notification bell. That way you will be notified when I do have a new video go up. Be sure as well to let me know in the comments down below what kind of lifestyle / cleaning videos you would like to see next. I do have a few exciting ones going up soon. So at the moment, you guys know I love listening to podcasts or watching Netflix or YouTube while I'm cleaning. But at the moment, I've been really enjoying listening to Disney background music, so the music they play in the parks and things like that. So I'll link a couple of playlists that I've been enjoying listening to down in the comments. Not the comments, down in the description bar below. Okay guys, so it's now the next day after I finished my cleaning yesterday. I went to B&M to pick up a couple of things, so I will definitely show you what I picked up in a minute. But also, have you guys been finding it hard to get hold of toilet roll? I have been on the hunt everywhere, and then I finally found some today in Lidl. So I picked up just a 4-pack, that's all they had. However, I did see some in Wilko as well after I picked up this pack. So I think it's just a case of looking around and just thinking outside the box. Usually I would get my loo roll in Home Bargains or Savers, the Nikki one, you guys know I love that. I think I get the 6 or the 9-pack, however, of course there is no loo roll at the moment. So I just thought I would grab this. There wasn't that much there, so you got to get what you can. I also got some roses from Lidl. I've spoken about their flowers before. They do the most beautiful roses especially. So these are for the kitchen. I'm going to do them in a minute. Now let's get on to the B&M haul. I did grab a couple of things in Home Bargains because that was right near B&M, so I just got another one of these empty spray bottles to dilute some Sulfurin. I think these are about 79p, and you can usually find these in the beauty section with the hair stuff. Then the other thing that I got from Home Bargains was some linen fresh Sulfurin. That was £1. And then speaking of Sulfurin in B&M, I got the Country Garden one. My mum uses this one at home and I really like the smell of it, so I thought I would grab one of those. Then just some standard toothpaste for Ben and I. Then I saw this grey Minky because I was in the running for a new one, because the one in the kitchen is really worn now and I just fancied a fresh one, so I quite like the grey one. I also grabbed this Fabuloso foam freshener. This is the one for carpets and upholsteries. This is in Tranquil Haze. If you guys remember, I did a Home Bargains haul and I grabbed a watermelon one of this. Now I did absolutely love it. It's really great value for money, but over time I found the watermelon to be quite overpowering, so I wanted something a bit fresher, so I thought I'd give that a go. Then the next thing is something that was new, I guess. I haven't seen it before. It's this elbow grease glass cleaner with vinegar. Now I usually use the Star Drops white vinegar on my mirrors and glass. In fact, you probably saw me doing this in the cleaning portion before this. However, I do find the white vinegar, as good as it is, kind of leaves a bit of a streak on the glass. So I thought I would get something that was a bit more targeted for this type of cleaning. So I will let you guys know. I'll probably try it in a minute actually, but this was only £1 and you get 500 mils in here. Then lastly, speaking of white vinegar, I did just grab another one just because it's good to have on hand, because I use this for so much stuff. And that is it for my B&M haul. So let's get right into some more cleaning motivation. After I had done my flowers that I put in the kitchen, I wanted to clean out our recycling bin. So I used some of the elbow grease in here and let it soak. Then while that was soaking, I did another wash. Do you guys seem to be doing washes all the time? I find the only way I get through the washing is by doing a load each day, but sometimes it can become a bit overwhelming. Anyway, I went back to the downstairs bathroom mirror that I cleaned yesterday so that I could re-clean it and try out the elbow grease glass cleaner. And you know what, guys, I really enjoyed using this. It worked well, so much so that I decided to clean all the other mirrors in the upstairs bathroom and the shower panels. But I will keep you updated on this glass cleaner. Let me know also in the comments down below if you've tried this out. I know it seemed pretty new. I hadn't seen it before, so I don't know if it is brand new. Okay, next it was time to clean the hallway stairs. I did, it was last week, do a deep clean of the hallway, a whole video dedicated to hallway cleaning. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go and check it out if you're in need of some hallway cleaning motivation. For me, this always seems to be a place that gets neglected. I tend to not clean it properly, so this is a good thing to do, deep cleaning it every once in a while. Lastly, it was time to clean out the bin after it had been soaking in the elbow grease. I just used my old minky cloth before I threw it away just to clean out the recycling bin. I love this recycling bin. It's from Lidl, but it's a really nice size. You can fit a lot in here. And what Ben and I do is we just put our recycling in there, and then when it's full, we bring it out to the main big bin. It's just somewhere to store it because I hate it being on the side of the kitchen top. So that way we just keep this under the kitchen sink and we can just put it in there until it's full and take out a big load at a time. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this clean with me and it gave you some motivation. Definitely give this video a big thumbs up if it did. And I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.